Oil-sensitive skin becomes oily and flaky again and again. That's what you commonly call it, spicy oil liver. What is more serious is sometimes accompanied by red pop beans. Just use Pai Shang's soothing and repairing bed. Sometimes I'm insensitive. I always use it when I have redness and stinging pain. It is the texture of this cream. It is very light and thin when pushed open, but at the same time very moisturizing. There will be no heavy and stuffy feeling on the face. Oily skin will like the feeling of applying it very much. Its ingredients are also very simple, effective without any risky ingredients, not even using emulsification, while enhancing epidermal resistance. On the other hand, it relieves body instability. Anyway, it's useful and sensitive. Or you want to choose a daily, stabilizing and repairing facial cream. It can really be learned from this.